Breaking news, Adobe has officially acquired VS Code from Microsoft. Once our beloved code editor is now behind the paywall. Developers worldwide are in shock. What will be the fate of our developers? Or is it finally time to switch to vibe coding? Let's find out in today's episode.
Okay, maybe it's not that bad. Or maybe it is. We got an update today. It says extensions from now on cost money. Either you can pay $1 per extension or purchase an extension pack for $5. Also, Extensions Marketplace has been moved to Creative Cloud, and it seems they are making changes on how you create extensions too. Luckily, since I am still in the free trial, I can get them all free. For now. Unfortunately, the free trial expired today and I got flashbanged by a light theme. It looks like dark theme is now only supported in Pro version, but hey, at least they still let you use VS Code. But no, I am not coding in a light theme. Let's purchase a Pro version for a month and see how it goes.
Hello there.
This is the first time in my entire life I have seen this screen inside the VS Code. Okay, it has been 2 weeks and honestly all I can say is I have spent more time debugging VS Code than writing actual code. By the way, did you see the new update? It says Adobe introduced occasional ads for free tier users inside the VS Code. I can't imagine how much struggle developers in free plan are going through right now.
Welcome to the future of coding. Introducing VS Code Plus. Now, featuring a faster startup, real-time AI refactoring, built-in smart formatter, and native dark theme support. Enjoy seamless design-to-code integration with our Adobe XD and exclusive access to the Creative Code library, all in one powerful editor. To foster a stronger, more committed coding community, our free tier has officially been discontinued. All developers can now enjoy our unified premium platform, VS Code Plus, starting at just $29.99 per month. Upgrade now and unlock your potential.
I didn't think I would ever say this, but it's time to say goodbye to VS Code. Oh, come on! Wait, it was all just a dream. I mean, more like a nightmare. Luckily, VS Code is still free, right?